Yung connection namin ni Gerald is true to Dave. Actually, fan siya ni Dave. Kasi may page may Tech Crab community kami.
Nandito po tayo ngayon upang hindi lamang po saksihan, kundi tayo po ay makigalak para po sa kasalan po ni Gerald Buenog Doronila at si Joanne Manalastas Villanueva.
From the day we met, I didn't know that God had planned for us. Sa pagkakatanda ko, unang kita natin, inirapan mo pa ako.
Tinatawag nga nila lagi na opposite attraction. Dahil sa sobrang hyper ko, siya naman sobrang tame lang talaga niya. To you, Han. Honey, eto na ang stress mo pang habang buhay. Hindi ka na makakatakbo.
It's chemical, it's chemical, it's chemical. Look in your eyes, I can see your life.
God really works in mysterious ways. Biruin mo, pinagtagpo tayo. Isang outspoken at isang mahiyain. Isang masayahin at isang boring. Ikaw ang naging ingay sa tahimik kong buhay. Ikaw ang naging gulo sa napaka-boring kong mundo. Pero salamat at dinala mo ko sa mundo mo. Salamat at pinapasok mo ko sa buhay mo.
Hey, you never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for, and so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go every high and low. If love is going where we go to have it all forever, let's start our life together. Let's go on in our love. Write the story that's only for us.
As a partner, the best. Nilaan siya ni Lord talaga para sa akin. At nilaan din niya ako para sa kanya.
I love you. Mga salitang hindi mo naririnig sa akin ng madalas. Pero I love you. Salamat dahil tinanggap mo ako kahit sa kahinaan ko.
Standing right in front of me, and we go every high and low. If love is going where we go to have it all forever, let's start our life together. Let's start our life together. Let's start our life together.
Thankful tayo kasi pinagtagpo tayo ni Lord dahil sa pagmamahal mo kay Kuya Dave at sa buong family namin. Eto na tayo ngayon. Yung journey natin from strangers to lovers, eto na. Na lagi ka na lang kinakabahan, lalo na sa first meet natin. Kahit na super opposite tayo, sabi nga nila, opposite attraction. Ang isa is a nonchalant and the OA, the optimistic meet the overthinker, and super silent and the super ingay. And yet, you choose me. And I will always choose you no matter what.
When the sky is falling, I promise you
Hindi ako magsasawang sabihin na napaka-bless ko dahil binigyan ako ng Panginoon ng babaeng tulad mo. Kaya bilang ganti, from this moment on, pinapangako kong tatanggapin ko at tinatanggap ko ang pagbubunganga mo sa akin. Tatanggapin ko kahit lagi ka pang magbaldita sa akin. Tatanggapin ko kahit lagi kang tinutoyo. Simula sa araw na ito, tinatanggap ko kahit dinig ang dighay mo sa buong bahay.
this is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees.
Nung time na pinag-usapan natin ang about sa wedding natin, akala ko nagbibiroan lang tayo. Pero eto na tayo, pinagtagpo na tayo ni Lord. Dahil deserve nating maging masaya.
And we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do. And we will, when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds.
Han, I can wait to spend my rest of my life to you, and you will never be alone. Kahit mahiyain ka, nandito ako to support you always. Let's achieve our dreams and build our own family. Congratulations to us. I love you.
Choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts.
I just want to let you know na handa na akong hawakan ang iyong mga kamay at harapin ang bukas na kasama ka sa buhay. Whenever I'm with you, I feel at ease. I feel comfortable. I feel calm. At masasabi kong nasa tamang tao na ako. And I can finally say I found my home. At ikaw yon, Joan Manalastas Villanueva Doronil.
I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose